Hello, my name is David C. Taylor. I'm a middle school engineering teacher at Charlotte Latin School. I'm applying for the PBS Charlotte STEM Awards. The title of my project is Cross-Curricular Engineering Integration, and I have this word up here that represents all this accumulating integration projects that have taken place this far this year at Charlotte Latin that I've been involved in. This is a series of projects that I've worked with multiple teachers in different grade levels and in different content areas to integrate STEM into their courses, where I've been collaborating with them. Our first project that I did was a fifth grade science cross-curricular engineering integration with our science lab teacher in the fifth grade. The students went through the engineering design process by creating aqueducts. They learned about the history, the foundation, how they connected back to Rome, so integration of social studies as well, and they had basic parameters with certain materials they could use, but they had to go a length of a table, as you can see in the image, and fill a cup with water. So understanding the concept of how an aqueduct works, we established a background knowledge by doing a presentation. Mr. Hammond and I worked together to plan this project out. Here are some photographs of the students working, boys and girls, collaboratively using teamwork, testing, redesigning. Furthermore, different concepts came up, as you can see from the images, and we had a wide variety of success, but they did the test, retest process and analyzed their work and accomplished a lot here and had a little fun at the same time. Another fifth grade project, which blossomed out of the aqueduct because of the success we had, we did another one with fifth grade, integrating engineering into the science classroom. All fifth graders had the opportunity to participate in both of these engineering projects. This was creating hot air balloons. The students in fifth grade, they have a partnership with a school in France for global collaboration, and they were learning about different varieties of France's culture, history, etc. The hot air balloon, the first hot air balloon was created in France, and they led ballooning for many, many years. And we went into some history and some background of the hot air balloon, and the students created the hot air balloon in small groups. So you can see they did all the math and measurement that went into this and designed this. Mr. Hammond and I spent about 3 months prepping this and testing and retesting to get this design correct. And finally, the students did it, and as you can see in these images, we had great success of getting hot air balloons into the air. As you can see in the second photograph on the right here, there is a total of 5 hot air balloons in the air at that time. Okay? And they learned about the science that went behind this as well. Then, which led to a seventh grade project that we prepped for. This project, the students are building catapults. The teachers and I have met, we planned, we prototyped. I met with Rich Hutchinson and Lauren Putman, our seventh grade social studies teachers, and we came up with this design to integrate ancient weapons, the catapult, into ancient Greece, because we're learning about ancient Greece, and eventually we're going to be doing one on the ballista with ancient Rome. So we used a book titled Many Weapons of Mass Destruction here that had a design process on how to make this out of very small pieces. And here's some images of this, of us prototyping it. And then our last project, I did a global collaboration project with middle school engineering with Tom Dubik and Craig Reynolds. Craig Reynolds in Shanghai American School, and we had 8th graders work with each other to learn about the engineering and aviation on a global scale. And they worked together to create scenarios and learn about the flight process. There's some more about that. Students learned a large quantity of things, as you can see here. Very impressed, and so did myself. Well, thank you very much, and take care.